In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Calendly account in just 5 minutes. If you've been trying to find a straightforward way to refresh your Calendly setup, look no further because we're diving deep into the process, ensuring you know exactly what to do step by step. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Calendly's homepage. You can do this by simply typing Calendly into your favorite web browser, or by entering the URL directly, which is calendly.com. Calendly's main page is where everything begins. It's designed to be user-friendly, offering a sleek interface that guides you smoothly through your scheduling needs. Once you're on Calendly's homepage, the next thing you need to do is log into your account. To do this, look for the login button. It should be pretty visible on the page, typically located in the top right corner. By clicking on this, you're moving one step closer to resetting your Calendly. After clicking login, you'll be presented with several options for how to proceed. For our purposes, we're going to focus on the Continue with Google option. This is particularly handy for users who have a Google account and prefer a quick access pathway without needing to remember another set of login credentials. Your Google account can serve as a gateway to numerous services, Calendly included. Selecting Continue with Google will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use for Calendly. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one that's associated with your Calendly account. This choice is crucial to ensure that all your scheduling is synced correctly with your chosen Google Calendar, offering a seamless integration that makes managing your appointments easier. Upon selecting your account, you may need to grant Calendly permission to access certain Google account details. This step is all about connectivity and ensuring Calendly can smoothly interact with your Google Calendar. Click Continue to affirm these permissions. Remember, Calendly respects your privacy and only seeks access for scheduling purposes, guaranteeing your information is handled securely. Now that you're logged in and have set the permissions, head over to the main dashboard of your Calendly account. This is where the magic happens. Here you can manage your meeting types, view upcoming meetings, and adjust your settings among other things. But our focus is to reset your account, so let's proceed with that. To reset your Calendly account, you'll want to locate the refresh button. This button is typically found on the top right portion of your dashboard. It might be represented by a circular arrow or similar icon, typical imagery to denote a refresh or reset function. Clicking this button performs a simple yet effective action. It refreshes your account. What this means is that it can help clear any minor glitches, sync issues, or just give your Calendly a fresh start if it's acting sluggish or not performing as expected. And there you have it. That's how you reset your Calendly account in just about 5 minutes. It's straightforward when you know the steps, but remember, resetting your account doesn't delete any of your scheduled appointments or meeting types. It simply gives your Calendly a quick refresh, potentially smoothing out any rough edges in its operation. Remember, keeping your scheduling tool in top-notch condition is crucial for maintaining your productivity and ensuring you're providing the best possible experience for people booking time with you. Regular checks and refreshes can help keep everything running smoothly, reducing the likelihood of missed appointments or scheduling conflicts. Thank you for walking through these steps with me. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made managing your Calendly account a bit easier. For more tips, tricks and guides on how to make the most out of your digital tools, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Happy scheduling and see you in the next video.